Mwancho murigereria bw'ensoko TV nigora ase chingaki ase mesa ya mayakurwa ensoko chinsa isato ase ijumeiga obotuko no bwaikomi mutinyi no gatano no kabero mwaka bw'echiri bubere 2025 ne monchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi, Kelvin Mogoi na Barnabas Sondari na butoko bwatara na kurwa ase studio ya kabero gochi gukomanya amayayiga gwetera senchira erengia asamariogi amo nechibicha sensemo ya kabere nkwana ya beno butoko bwarero mwancho murigeria ochakera chinsa isato neno sucho butoko bwarero ntuchigo sanga no mogenito ase studio yonyara ko bakago ikirana kwenekia tujarako batoko murekera amange ayo arengire abasai na poigo siasa chikaro chikandate kweroberia bosu bachore bana no mwaka bw'echiri bubere 2025 na ibera sorongora gusine nsi ya Kenya basai bamochi waso bonge egakorenkiri kyane kiwensemo ya Kiumbu ne bikorembire byane kiwase chinsemo ase nsi ya Kenya otko bwara ntuchiko mutwara mogenito na boko mukwani mugusino mwancho murigeria tumanyirieta erinde kiratokanye tiko chigoso ase nkwana yeito
Biamono sana Clinton. Ase okongari bagago chasi studio ya Ensoko TV. Nje nkuru kwa Hanson Mombasa, Machuki. Seite gotoka ya Bonchari, Suneka, Omorenda Ward, na Onkorwa. Chena tarde go chasi studio chino, garato manya abantu nga. Engi kewante ko korwa asomonto mosae.
Karibu sana, tuchigo sanga naye chinga kechi chigoika, naye mwancho murigeria toskara ase TV yago korende emesa ya mayakurwa ensoko ensa eyamo achakirbo Mwanchumo rigereria bono ase enchera ya bene tuguchakana robotiro kubwatia ase apamenyi kurwa ase chibunge chia Bomachoge burabuna Bomachoge chache abo baraba onchoreria somo chibugembo nigo bono baesokire na kugikiria chibura buru echo chiabase omochibugembo ase baburie wizara yoborendi na serikali gukora obotugi kwa bwango herio kubeka abakagirwa bonsi byara bagokwana kurwa ase municipality yo omo basorero nigo bono basabire county ya Kisii enyara ko bagikwemuke getambukero yo kubabekera chibesa ase budget ase bono batebire budget yo mwako yega nigo etanya ko bagikubeka besa jinde chonsi ase municipality yo muri kitapo lenari sakama namange
bagokwana imeyo mu kibugembo niga bamenye kuri ebunge ya Bomachoge borabu nere ya Bomachoge chache besokire na kugikire buraburu yene kigwa asenseme yo amatuka makeigo aitire.
Name is Abraham Okindo Mukwa, a community chairman from this locality. Bomachoge residents, traders and business owners stand here today to strongly condemn the unfortunate attack of the people of Ugembo town, including the area's MCA, which led to serious injuries to several people, robbing businesses and destruction of property.
Kwa niaba ya wakazi wa Ugembo, tumekuja kukemea na kukashifu kitendo cha uhalifu ambacho kilitendeka hapa Jumamosi iliyopita.
Iwotu achira una Machoge ruborabu na Machoge chache o condemn amangana bete ga Ugembo litukoria esabatiria etete.
Nigo baburire gwizara yoborendi bweime gokora obotuki bwa bwango na kwenekia buna bakagirwa nkobeko bari byara.
The people of Bomachoge and the community of Ugembo municipality are now worried that the peace that has existed between the communities in Igucha is now threatened, and want to ask the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Daud Kancha, to investigate the incidents with an aim of bringing to book the culprits.
Tungependa kuambia asasi za usalama kwamba wawe wanalinda wananchi, wao wasitumikie wale viongozi ambao wanataka kuongoza watu kimabafu.
Abantu bo Ugembo morento morembe, we want morembe naba menyi barororo nabandu bondi bonsomye to Ugembo torento morembe
bagokwanire municipality yogembe yibagoteba tebeke iribesa chinde kyonsi aseke gancha ningo batebire bunanere buye municipality yokubekero chibesa chiaye kolengana nekengese kerichiko.
Haki yetu kama wakazi wa Ugembo kuona kwamba fedha zimewekwa zimetengwa kwa ajili ya maendeleo ya Ugembo.
We are addressing the issue of allocating zero development funds for Ugembo municipality, which is the main concern by the residents.
Demanding right now that Paradiso is out of this business. It's not Paradiso business, it's not Atika business, it's not my business. This is the interest of the community. I'm going to for the first time because any interest in the community. So allocate to Ogembo chipesa chia Ogembo municipality constitutional ribu ne constitutional karanaki egoteba.
Waigoni goba mentre goteba buna nerebu ya serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii gochamo na babwatani kurwase municipality yo eriko gaya na buna mochando nde bwensi koraroro.
Onye mechandero Ogembo abaga kambaro business community nero ntobwate e committee ye municipality inkiyongwa yata anki yondata gochara simba akaranse bakaranse na leaders bachorire basorwe problem ero Ogembo.
Omwairi ukona kukubule kwa bwochia serikali ya kaunti ya Kisii.
Now we are demanding this. All the issues to adesirigaiga. Omo governor are responding with immediate effect. Otherwise, ndota itkora chogeni yonchi gokoru Ogembo no nye magena.
The concerned community, we demand the following: that the governor responds to the petition by the Ogembo municipality residents.
Ko reporter gita Senigia Nsoko TV. Nchere tanapo Rinaris. Kama
Moroberio onyota wentunde ya kabere nigobono wasiori wase skuru yibobundi ya Kisii hasaba sagwetane chiribwisano na isato kurwase county ya Kisii ya Nyamira amo na Migori banyara koba bagosirwa helyo kwegenderia okwana chinga kecho muno muwaziri w'echisemio Mheshimiwa Julius Ogamba nori oterete wizara y'echinguru cy'umurero Opiyo Wandayi negati abande nigobono bagokeire uburai bw'umurai bwense William Ruto hasebono ayenekire ogwikirania eira yaye anene mono yogokora umuchando bwokoboro kwemeremo hase gati abasai bali banyora ogokonya uku niko bagokeire umuroberio yo hase bayenekire gwechigokoro bonchoreria elyo kwegendereria na kwenyora engere yabo ya credit komurikito Frida Kerubo na Manke.
Ile mbele iliingia tukaanza biashara ya ufugaji wa kuku. Ulifanya namna gani? Nilinunua nini kiubeta? 8,000.
Naso muyiga bukubwatoka enengo ya nyota asentunda ya kabere oyokolekana imeye skuru yobobundi ya Kisii nakoragwa n'umuwaziri w'echisemi Julius Ogamba amona Opiyo Wandayi okwana umuwaziri Ogamba nigaeneke buna abasae gwetania chiribu isana na isato korwase county ya Kisii Nyamira amona Migori mbakonyeka elio kwegendereria.
We were here dealing with the 3 counties. That is Migori, Nyamira and Kisii. The total number of recipients is over 8,000. The 8,000 that are getting their money today, 2,000 are first timers. They are the people who are getting for the first time, and then after a few months they'll get the second tranche. 6,000 plus are getting the second tranche to make the total of 50, where 6,000 has gone to savings, and of course now 44 has entered the business.
Boigo nigo baeneke buna no moroberio ogonchereria obugima bw'abasae anene b'emyaka 20 na kianda ko chamaega abo bakolete ekerasi gya 12 elio koenekya ngokonyeka bale asobugima bwabo.
It's a program that is life changing, and it's a program that we must actually entrench for you to be able to continue to support these youth.
This program is targeting the youth who are up to 29, but those with disability, it extends up to 35 years. And all of them are those who never went beyond Form 4. They are Form 4 and below. And so the support we are giving them is to give them a chance in life for them to be able to start economically contributing to our country.
Boigo Opiyo nigo agokera oborai bwaye Dr. William Ruto asogo ikirania eira yaye anene asogo kora omuchando bukuburwa kwemeremo kolengania n'oborai bwa magega.
Many times politicians or leaders talk, but there's a difference between talking and implementing. President William Ruto has demonstrated that he has the capacity the goodwill and the willingness to implement his policy pronouncements. This program goes a long way to demonstrate that this government is a listening and caring government. Something like this has never been seen. In the previous administrations, we know that the matter of youth unemployment is a challenge that is being faced by many, many countries, not just Kenya. But Kenya has gone ahead, under President Ruto's guidance, has gone ahead to think and to conceive of innovative ways to address this matter of youth unemployment.
Asensemo y'omuwaziri ogamba nigo aerera emerobere ye serikali yogosira abasae bali batabwati chi certificate kolende babwate obumanyi bunankonyora bali chi certificate icho eliokoeneke muna mbali gosiekererwa isiko ki amabaga yemeremo aratoke.
The total amount that has been distributed is 3 billion Kenya shillings, and initially they had received the other 3 billion. So we are continuing as a government to look and see what is it that we can do to support our youth, other than the issues that we deal with in TVETs. We've rolled out, for example, programs like the what we are calling recognition of prior learning. Recognition of prior learning is where somebody has had a skill, but because they did not pursue it formally, they did not have a certification for it. What that does is that when an opportunity arises, for example in AGPO, and somebody needs to attach a certificate, they are closed out or they are locked out because they don't have that certificate. Now the recognition of prior learning covers that gap by giving them a certificate after some certification to confirm that this is somebody who is skilled in that field and can do the work.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV.
Tuguska busio ase oroboti ronde omwanchumu rigereria nigo bonega tiabara ikuru ase bunge abonchari county ya Kisii baesokire na kogikere gakore kyogotachirwa nseno gwito kwa bana babere ritko riegora ase kenyorokia bomakombi bomorenda bagukwana nigo bono baburire serikali gokora hobotuki bwa bwango nabo igokuba imukiri getambo kero keri chiko bali abanyarte koba bagotoka bali bose bali baranyare koba bagotoka na mamochayo muri kito Pethuel Machini na mange
Magiga yegekore kyobosari gokorekana sensemo ya makombi bomorenda suneka nigegatia baribeso kire na kugigire gekore kyo kwana mukonyi b'umugambi abansinya choti nigaburira botwerera kwenekiwa eri serikali yakorobotukiwa asenekia oyo rabwatwe na imukirwe getambukire getindike richiko
no nale go sababu tulifu bobe ekiagara serikali negarata gukora ubuchunguzi bwae abana balimba irutumba goro postmortem mo baba toereru obo maene mbo manyekane na inde step ne beteken onde bwensi bwatege ekaranga likebe munekeiga atige ekiagara mbuya gukora maya kubwa mago gukora mabe onde oranyorekane na bwatwe na koegwa lichiko muna ligoteba
sensemo yabonchire kurwezikira suneka nigo bakigikire borege korekyo na kobore bunege korekyo kyobosoku tikirorera imeagusi
ki igotoka tebango muntu akoreta manganaya gucha gusaria abana baitu abanyagitari bankyo abaroya bankyo abantu twabwate bwe gosemerio konene nande nabuto semera tibuna abana bake twasabira serie tari agesonye mbago nchoka nigo barasirwe buna Biblia goteba bari muiborete chinde chikonyegera bono iga mutare gokurerege korieke kurango ga kistebya abana baito chindo kabisa tebya bagaka barega abana bamureka muranche gaki tiga gotoa bonchari obosoku twagikeirie gekorieke kamuranche abana aba bakwete tondogete eturiga iga bono mambito kugikerie gekorieke ngana ende kende ngekoraki nkeba naende kende nkeba bonchari yeito
kurasabisyo mochumbe Charles Nchuke niko babore serikali gokorobotuki boime na ubwango iro ya matenyero bwene bwabo
otogoteba nga bono ekiagara ringaneri lyabeire korovisyo mojumbo ito obonchari niko tokoboria eserikali gochakira abantu bari tokoroka nyumba 10 bacha abatureti aba assistant chief baka DCC na ebitengo biri byonsi bikochunguza bichunguse ringaneri asobo imemono na asobwango ligere ringaneri nyare komanyekana na bali bakorete ringaneri rinyare ko bakoimokerigwa egetambo kereke nene ekiagera ntori gochigwancha abana bari bagochikoba chitaya bonchari bagoitwa senchira yokoba munengitie goitwa nabo igo omweshimi goito ni igare magayeri ngari koribwatia igonga kerege ntoge gochikoimokigwa omweshimiwa ni gakobwatia bakobwene bororekane bwa bana aba na saba ibori rigere emanyekane
Boiga boibori nigo baborigwe gotatiga bana babo boka erio botange bikoro nebyo gokorekana samotukare bosio
argo saba abantu bonsi bari community yito munatore bonchari ana umurendeye ndo toro sokorenda abantu nduri abantu goitwa nargo saba abantu bari batigeta abana bamenyete boke sichi family yawao bae bakomera abantu abanene abana bagotigoboke chinyomba
Kuripoteria Ensoko TV kuro county ya Kisii Chepethuel Machin.
Ikiombe kia wakili mensi ya Kenya Law Society of Kenya giakorere okurobekana memucho Nairobi kogikire gusaganwa n'obuiti bw'abawakili okurobekana uko nigo bono kwara wano muraiwe kiombe kyo kia wakili Charles Kanjama muraiwe kia makiage siasa ya PLP Matakarua abego muraiwe kia makiage siasa kia Roots Party George Wajakoya nigo bono banyare koba bakurwa okobore gochiase ya serikali kwene kiango koriere obotuki eriko babeka byara bakwene kyo obuiti obo nigo banyare koba bagochakera se kigambiro kia Milimani kase nyumba y'abanyanyimbo ya Vigilance House asebanyara ko babako hiro kwemurunganya kwabo muri kitolina tinyambane namange
Ekiombe kia abawakili LSK giakorire okorobekana ritkoria rero ime omucho Nairobi asebe murunganeiri ogosaganwa no goitwa kwa berego kene kiwa asaba wakili abo ase amatuka bwangoiga.
Under the Constitution of Kenya, yes, the Kenya Police Service has several responsibilities, yes, to safeguard peace, yes, to safeguard lives, yes, to protect everyone engaged in professional work.
So as we leave these premises and we go back to our chambers, may we go back knowing that LSK will not relent, LSK will not cower, LSK will not fear nor intimidated to protect its own.
Ukwana iskoye chiobisi chomo Inspector General w'abanyanyimbo Douglas Kanja Charles Kanjama oyore omurai bw'ekyombekyo nigatebire nonye Kanja tarenge aroro ryuko ryabo nigoryeika ase ABCI ase bono bari no kwegena buna engane yuo nechiwe korigereriwa.
The Inspector General of Police has sent his regards. He is on an operation outside Nairobi County and he delegated the task of receiving our petition to one of his senior officers. We have presented the petition. We have expressed our concerns with the deaths of Esther, Edward, and even the unexplained death of Chalom Bobu, who was assassinated a few months ago. We have requested for robust investigations. We have requested for a high-level investigation team to be set up and LSK to be involved and to be kept updated of what is happening. We have asked for justice. We have asked for investigations of what has been happening at Kenya Forest Service, where there are concerns of public land being grabbed. Yes!
Egati y'abawakili abaikirana aso korobekana uko nigo batebire onyo bugima bwabo tibubwati borendi naende nabo bamanyeteri chiko nigo batebire mo Kenya tayo oranyore oborendi.
Abawakili baminto banyare gosiri obugima bwabo ase chinchera chogo Tanzania ona abantu baminto to achire gare ro mwarolera abawakili atwatare ko vigilance to achire gari Supreme Court to achire gaiga pia ase IG of police go saba bakore investigation erengia investigation eragere tonyore justice kogera tokobol riswali elimo in whose hands are we safe intuna abantu na mawakili abawakili bagusi bakoru siaya bakoru notistan kerase kogera no ligere no yo minto Edward iganyorete itire kangentire akarutu ase roche
buna oyo moito agokunu nabenga twins to akoniru. Killing an advocate is like killing the rule of law in this country and administration of justice. Even togoteba buna gusi moiso nento arabana babere ba extrajudicial killing omwana goitu atabu at safety abana batogete ase bituma imene chibando me batingire baitire ekina kiegento buna aba advocate tokorwanerera kwamba onyo mu advocate kago kunu nono muntu gyore kenyoro ga West Mugirango babore ga kenyerere nabona onere aranya takwa ba safe
nigo bono bagocereirie guchikugira emeremo onye engane yo teri guchikorigererigwa boikeranu
tobata bia minimum elitwa erire ati irrelevant authorities if they are not going to take action kobwata ogosekoligi abantu aba itira abantu baminto we will be able to stop and disrupt everything the process of justice togochiko disrupt until tonyore haki yeito. So that's what we are going to do.
The police service has assured us that they are going to work very hard based on the petition we have presented to them this afternoon. However, we are not going to remain quiet or passive waiting for results. Eternal vigilance is the price for liberty.
Is the price for liberty.
Eternal vigilance
is the
price for liberty.
Is the price for liberty.
As the Law Society of Kenya, we commit to all our members, to the public and to the members of the press that we shall remain eternally vigilant so that justice may be done and not just seen to be done.
Erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Tukoskabusio mwanchumo rigereria omo MCA we wodi ya Itibo Mheshimiwa Lamek Sikwea ni gobona getoda emeroberio ya magendro yechipara ase wodi yaye hasebono hata biro kwikirabona ni gemeroberio gendro ta senchire ngia saburia bananchi kwene kyanko mubwate siabare eriko chiago ikirania magendro ayo
asa maria tangoro Lamek Sikwea Onyanja manyekanete buna Nyakianga wose nana aseri tukoria rero na twariro mogoko gukuungana na bananchi bane begie tai AIC aria sabantu bari ngotana bwo muislamu epare saregete abantu abane babeira matuka mange obugambi bwa kurumaga bwarenge ko bapagwa lakini bono nje natebirena obugambi bwane ngobeka kero omuntu erinde tobamo erinde tokorega cia sobwamo good epara tokorosi egochaka kuruke burunga ya Chain Institute ya chamba kaga abwo muislamu astokoroke AIC
Nyamiranga yes
ego twatwara mogoko monene asenge njokero kurigeria abananchi bonsi barega obono bwari bwepara gose para terakora kende para ya biamono igondo rio konyagoteba aninga mono na babare asende abana ubangakirite chikura pi na ande ninga minute na 2027 na ande muri kwa katuta mupi
Tukoskabusio mwancho murigera sorbot ronde segeto nigo yabekire guchase abanyamira kwene kyabuna ngocha baramo akwiri kyakoba abakichukura kuno kuburia kwa runo yokurigekero kyo governor se county yo engineer James Kemoni oyo otebire buna anene mono bari bare ase chimbebe che county nyamira echibakanine chi county chinde kwene kya ngobeka bare chikura chiaba se county yo herigo chia kwene kya amonchorya soborai nigari ko yakwana igasa matanga ya maine kiwa sensemo ya Gitare wodi abogichora yo bakaine ne county ya Kisii aseboigo asa matanganda sensemo ya Nyagachi Murikito Steven Nyariki Mbunde warenga sa yorobotirwa senchiro bwikira
Nasiri tukoria ichuma iri ribwata magomba manene asoyo koriekero kyobo governor ase county ya Nyamira inchini ya James Kemoni atwara ribagerio asoko bwatoka engora ase chi family ao imeye county ya Nyamira asensemo ya Nyagachi wodi ya Bosamaro ase bunge ya West Mugirango me ya Nyamira asa matanga hanyagosira Dennis Mosomi nigo ribagerio nchini ya James Kemoni aira ribagerio nagotebanganire buya bagusiko bekomorembe nagotiga kurutera abamereri baba magena ase korende babwate chikura chibe munekerwanero kyabo
nicho lomori nkoboligero kyo bugava na Nyamira ainto kwanenga kiya Kaisari kerere eraiki
muruchirende kabone keke yona abata keiramaya njemeliana na ere guchaga njono umurigo ino naende ningendere gucha Abanyamira Abakenya esa magana esa kasage kona kobo tigatubika omorembe tolinda abantu baitu ndoko na gukora ebintu egere byaire ebintu gete abantu baitu bana gusira igo tigatubika ogomo amagana yali ando tonyata twenga kirige goika tubwatie kadi ngyo korutera rigena igo tumie kadi ya obiya na abata keiramaya ninje ga kiki no kinde igo mwengeiga nindo je gosigoro ya Nyamira ni jomo nginyore
ase amatanga David Osero ase kenyoro kia getare kegotoke wadi ya Bogichora ase bunge ya West Mogrango ya Nyamira
musomba nasabanga tata oyo urate na sobo ina bwa David tomonyoro nanje nasabanga nyasaye oyo urate na sobo ina bwa David yatoke mwesa barone
nigo boigo engineer James Ongera Kemoni aikirana roro asasabire abamenyi abari asoruberu county ya Kisii na Nyamira mbaba cia konia chikura chiabo gocha ase county bibekaine ase korende batware birwandro byabo erio bachigokora monchoreria asobora ibwa Nyamira
yeto kende tete ko sawa masikania manene tako ni chikadi chie kura yao ochisiko Nyamira na yega deti onyerosi ebe Nyamira Bogichora ewodi na yega deti onyole umurayo muye utumie kadi yao woko ni kadi yao chi binyoro binde watotige irobo komu ekadi eri nera kogera otochorera bare yabaya waje gotokolere gasi Busabumbo bengo tema
Engineer James Kemoni okoriye kero kyobogabana ase county ya Nyamira ni gekereke akire koko
lero natira ngorera tuacha engakiria Kaisari gegoika ere mwaka 2027 nyoro mwano ino ogoruku Kemoni gokorara nyora ekemoni gyanka neki yakerige kolenda chi yanga nyomba no walimo abagirango to kwane retiri ukitoko yu nyegene nimbale ntaroma rembe Nyamira gato beko wamo igakirige goika tubwaterane tukomboe Nyamira kama Wanyamira
sambu yamono
esegeto digo yabekirwe ng'anere biya monjoreria korwa nende mono asobotenere bwe county ya Nyamira korwa somo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira erokone kimuna county ya Nyamira ngotwarera baraya bayaso mwako 2027 korwa ase kenyoro kya getare kigotoka ase wodi ya Bogichora ase bunge ya West Mogrango ime county ya Nyamira Kingo reporter ya Nsoko TV Rietera Nyariki Steven Embonde
Eye Nsoko TV.